to our mini theater. And as you can see, ito ang ating mini theater. Nandito pa kayo. And ang ating malaking big screen. This is my place. And my place. And this is the place of Kuya Rod. And then this is the place of Kuya Rod.
Kuya Robbie?
This is my place. Oh yeah.
Kuya Robbie's place?
And
My place!
as you can see, guys, grabe, we missed you a lot. Sobra talaga. As in, grabe.
Ganon.
Oh.
Oh.
By the way. Fuck you! No! I saw you on
Ano na?
like me.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Okay, go. Ayun, gusto namin ga.
Oh, Kuya Robbie.
Ito ang ating place.
You're on. You're on. Yeah. Let's bring.
Kuya Robbie, bring.
Wait lang. Naalala niyo yung mga footsteps, di ba? Yeah. Tapos ito yung pero dito yung remembrance mo sa akin. Tapos ito yung kay Pierre, remembrance mo. Yeah, remembrance natin. Full year.
Tignan yung sakit ng coach ko.
Okay, let's go here upstairs. Ito sa footsteps. Ito yung mga footsteps. Gusto lang ko.
Tignan lang. Ano?
Okay. Now, I guess, this is the ending. Right? Wait lang.
Di ba sa
Hindi
ending?
na dapat pa. Hotel natin, di ba? Doon ang hotel natin. Oh, okay, bye-bye.
I love you so much. Mami, Kuya Robbie, I love you so much.
Okay. I miss you.
We miss you.
Mamaya ka na. Ito naman to, moment ko na nga eh.
Go.
Wala na, ayoko na.
Pakis ko.
Bye-bye. I love you.